Anytime you get an invitation for a wedding, most of the time, Muslim wedding, you will probably read this verse. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُمْ مِنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. Out of his signs, or from among his signs, or from his signs, it depends how you translate. That means what Allah is going to be talking about is a sign of Allah. Sign mean miracle, creation. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُمْ. He, Allah, created لَكُمْ to you مِنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ from among you أزواجا, pair. Why? لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا. تَسْكُنُوا, this is the word. And it's so hard, subhanallah, the beauty of the Arabic language. One word is so hard to translate with one word in Arabic, especially Quranic Arabic, to translate it into one English word to give it the right meaning. A second, لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا, basically, second is a house. Second is a place where people live. Second is a place where people find serenity and comfort and tranquility. Most commonly you will find it in the Quran translated as tranquility. So from among his signs, he created to you, right? خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ, from among you, meaning same species, أزواجا, pair, she or a he, لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا. So you will find tranquility, love, serenity. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ, and then he made وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ, among you, between you, مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً. Mawadda is love and rahmah is mercy. These are the two things. That's how marriage should be. That's how the family should be built on. إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ, verily in this, meaning his creation, and why, and the tranquility, and the love, and the mercy. إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ, in all this, signs لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. It's a sign for those who reflect and think. What do I learn from this verse? This is in Surah Ar-Rum. What do I learn from this verse? Marriage is miracle. Family is miracle. Made of two, creation of Allah. He made it. He created them. He created marriage. He created the relationship between them. And he made between them love and mercy. And this all, as miraculous as it is a sign of Allah. Meaning, when we are looking at a family, and when I'm talking about marriage only, I'm talking after marriage. When we look at the family, we became so used to it that we don't remember it's a sign from Allah. It's a creation of Allah. It's one of the ways I please Allah.